September is National Preparedness Month, so the Maryland Department of Health Office of Preparedness and Response is teaming up with some of our amazing local health departments to help your family stay prepared and ready for anything.
Being prepared for an emergency isn't just about staying safe during a storm or a disaster. It's also about staying comfortable, fed, clean, and healthy afterwards when a storm or disaster has knocked out the electricity.
If you lost power, how would you eat?
The fridge isn't going to keep things cold.
And the microwave wouldn't warm things up.
And you might not get clean water out of your faucets.
How would you find out if it was safe to go outside?
Not from your TV. Cell phone towers could be down too.
Being prepared means having your own food, water, cash, and other supplies for at least 3 days, and possibly longer if you're in a remote or hard-to-reach area.
You should also have a battery-powered radio. Even better if it can receive weather information from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. And don't forget the extra batteries.
Put in a flashlight too.
And a well-stocked first aid kit.
And also a whistle to signal for help.
Add in moist pellets, garbage bags, and plastic ties, and personal sanitation.
Remember, what goes in your kit will depend on your own needs. Once you take a look at the basic items, consider what unique needs your family might have, such as supplies for pets and seniors.
And remember, disasters don't always plan ahead, but you can.
Happy National Preparedness Month, Maryland!